everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here to show you this new lock style. I was inspired by Essence of Shay. Her Instagram posts inspired me. I saw her putting in the style and I was like, what is that? What is that? That's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen that before. So I ended up doing a variation of that style. As you can see, her style is done tighter, which made her hair come out shorter. I didn't do mine so tight. I did mine pretty loose. To do the style, you're putting little ties into your hair over and over again, and that's what creates the chain link. So to get it really short and tight like Shay, you just want to put the links in a bit tighter than me, or a lot tighter than me. They're both different looks. They're both really cute looks. I'll actually try that next. But I really do enjoy the length that I got with this one. My hair is now at bra strap length, which is an ideal length when it comes to locks. And it's giving me so much volume. As you can see, it almost looks like my hair is in curls. Like if you just were to glance at me, you probably would think that my hair is curled. But it's not. It's in chain links. Yeah, it's pretty cute. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, it was really easy. I just washed my hair last night and I put the twists in afterwards, after I moisturized, of course, with my horsetail leaf growth oil. So again, it's really simple to do, really quick and easy. Well, I guess it's not that quick, depending on how many locks you have. I have 94 locks. So, you know, just imagine tying 2 locks at a time. And when you're doing it, remember, it's best to do 2 locks that are pretty close in length. Because if you have one lock that's really long and one that's pretty short, once you get down to the bottom of the short lock, you're going to have a lot of lock left over from the longer lock, and you're not gonna know what to do with that. You might, I mean, I guess you can twist it up. You can do that. So you have options, but it's just easier when you do it 2 locks that are pretty close in length. It's more uniform that way. I couldn't do that all the way. I do have a few locks that were like 3. This one here is 3 locks, so I used 2 and 1. Because I had a shorter one, so I had to find a longer one to match the other longer one. It's really simple. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know how your results are. Of course, this is more ideal for women and maybe men with longer locks. If your locks are pretty short, you can still get a cute look. It might end up looking like a little afro or something. Actually, I would love to see that. If you guys have shorter locks and you attempt this style, send me your pictures, DM me at Keisha Charmaine on Instagram, and I would love to see it. This is a great way to get temporary shorter locks for a while, which makes it a really good summer style. I'm definitely going to try the even shorter way to do this the next time I style my hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I love that I have all this volume. I'm going to be having some fun with some ponytails, so make sure you stay tuned to my Instagram. I will be posting more styles and more variations of the style there. So thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.